aking kapatid na best man, Jonar. Yeah! Aking bayaw na si Mark Daniel. Kuya Aaron. Yan.
Remeline. Ate Ivy. Ika. Thank you. Jamela. Thank you po. Salamat kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. And also, alam kong thankful ka din nung nagkakilala tayo. Mas naging mabuti yung kung sino man tayo. And thank you sa care, sa pagmamahal. Tsaka lagi mo akong inuuna sa lahat.
Siguro nasa situation na ako, parang mag-flashback siguro lahat nung simula nakilala ko siya, kung paano ko siya nakilala before, kung paano yung sinasabi ng love at first sight ba.
Ilang mag-anak?
Wala pa rin. Tatrabaho.
Ilang araw ko
6
doon?
days.
Lahat ng anak ko mababait, pero ito yung talagang pinakamabait. Walang bisyo, lahat na nasa kanya. Tapos masikap. Ito talaga pinakamasikap.
Ang pagiging tapat sa isang asawa sa kanyang kabiyak ay tumutulong upang mapanatili ang integridad ng pagsasama nila bilang mag-asawa.
Mami, papakako sa'yo na mamahalin kita ng araw-araw, na di kita pababayaan, na taalagaan. Alam mo naman na mahal kita at sana huwag kang magsasawa sa araw-araw. Ayun lang, mahal kita.
Guess we talked the whole night long. There was silence.
Hello, Daddy. Didn't expect this relationship led to marriage, but times go by. Our relationship went smoothly and find it peacefully, and I feel the love.
Wake me up when I know you, 'cause all I ever was,
Masabi ko lang ay always pray to God and always trust in the Lord. At lagi tayong maging humble and laging nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng bagay.
Waiting for you, waiting for you every night. I feel the warmth of your skin, if even for a moment. Then we're flying on a wind, we were bathed in lilac light. All at once, I'm your king, I can see you shining like a diamond sky. No more war, I'm at peace, I can see it everywhere. All I ever was, all I ever was.
Papasalamat ako kay God kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. Binigyan niya sa akin ng pinakamagandang babae. Mapagmahal, mabait, mapagkumbaba, matalino, madiskarte, outgoing at higit sa lahat, ginabay mo ako para mas lalong mapalapit ako sa Diyos.
Waiting for you every night. Waiting for you.
I'm looking forward to build the family with you, with the center, with God's center of our marriage.
In every lifetime, I might fight, but I'll find it was always you.
Simula nang magkakilala tayo, nakita ko ang lawak ng mundo. Marami na tayo mga lugar na napuntahan na magkasama at pupuntahan pa. Alam mong mahal na mahal kita, ngayon nandito na tayo upang maging isa at sana hanggang sa huli tayo dalawa.
Don't wait another minute, the sky's open, there's no limit. And I wanna start it over, shrug the dust right off our shoulders. We can go anywhere, we can do anything now. This is what we're waiting